In this video, I will walk you through an easy, safe method using an official Microsoft tool to free up that cache memory and give your system an instant performance boost. This works on both Windows 10 and Windows 11. Let's jump right in. Right click on the Windows Start button and click on the Task Manager. This open the Windows Task Manager. Once it opens, click on the Performance tab at the top. Inside the Performance tab, click on Memory. This shows you detailed information about your RAM uses. Look at the right side of your window. You will see composition breakdown showing in use, available, cache, and so on. Focus on the cache value. That's a significant amount RAM being held in cache. Your number might be different, maybe 1 GB, 4 GB, or even more. The larger this number, the more you will see change when we use the tool. Keep the task manager open so we can watch the cache memory go down after we use it. Open your browser, search for RAMMap sysinternals, and click on the official Microsoft Learn page. It will be under learn.microsoft.com/sysinternals. Scroll down until you see the download RAMMap link. Click on that. The file is tiny, only about 400 to 800 kilobytes, so it should download almost instantly. It will download as a zip archive called rammap.zip. Once it downloaded, you need to extract it before use. Go to download folder, right click on rammap.zip and select extract all. Click the extract button. Perfect. Now look for the file name rammap.exe. That's the main executable file. Double click on it. A user account control prompt will appear. Just click yes to proceed and then click agree to accept the terms. Now let me position Task Manager and RAMMap side by side so you can see their effect in real time. Inside the RAMMap window, look at the top menu bar, click on empty. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. The one we want is the empty standby list. This represents the cache memory we saw in Task Manager. Click on the empty standby list. Now watch what happens. The process is almost instant. Look at your Task Manager window. You should see the cache value drop dramatically. In case it went from 5.3 GB down to just 4 to 500 megabyte. That's over 5 GB of RAM freed up immediately available for the system use. Your computer should feel noticeable snappier now, especially if you had several gigabytes of cache memory before. Just keep in mind, Windows cache memory on purpose to make your apps reopen faster. So this isn't something you need to do every day. It's more of a quick fix for when things feel sluggish or right before it demanding tasks like gaming or editing. If this video helped speed up your PC, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful videos tips. Got question? Drop them in comments below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.